Hi guys, we're going to be using white, blue, and black. So I will divide them up now. Alright, there we go. So start off a little black. Now I don't want to make this opaque. I want black, but I want it to be transparent black. So I may add a little more, but I'd rather underdo it and add than end up with too much to start with. The white, I want to make it also transparent, somewhere in that, like a skim milk coloring, a little more see-through than whole milk. And then in the blue, I'll just put 2 drops to start. I will probably add more, but we'll double check. We'll make sure. Alright, here we go. Start off, we fill the bottom of each mold. Go ahead and spread it on out to the edges. Now we will pour a small puddle of the black in the center. Now we'll pour the blue. Right over the top of the black. Pushing that black. One more here. Okay. Maybe a little more on this one. Alright. There we go. And now we will pour clear over the top of blue. Push everything on all the way out, and we'll fill the mold the rest of the way out. There we go. That should just about do it. This last little bit. There we go. Right in there. Looks like all the molds are filled good. So that works. And just one more small step. I have this glitter I've been wanting to try out. We'll just put a little drop right there in the center. Now, I didn't have to put the glitter in the center. Sometimes people put glitter in the center or a little bit of gold or silver flakes. You can leave it plain too. So, alright. Looks like it's trying to move, so we will leave it alone now. And we'll come check on it later. Bye for now. Alright, it's the next day and everything's cured, so it's time to demold. Now, I did have a little bit of resin left over after we poured this, so I couldn't waste it. So I poured some other little things. We'll go ahead and demold them first. Let's see how they came out. Let's see. See our little sea turtle. Yeah. Figure these would be good for silhouette. A silhouette look in something else. Let's see how this came out. Oh, look at that. That was what was left, the last little bit of that glitter. And then I poured the black over the top of it. I like that. And then, of course, dolphin. Blue dolphin, definitely. There we go. It's cute. And then this is a little flower. And oh, wow, look at that. It's a little skull. And I like how that came out. I just thought that was the coolest glitter. When I saw that at the store, I had to buy it. I don't even remember what store. I wasn't expecting to find something like that glitter there. I know that. Okay, here we go. Let's see how they came out. I mean, this side looks really neat. I just don't know what the back side, what the top is going to look like. I'm not looking either. I want to, but I'm waiting. We'll see them together. I'm afraid I may not put enough blue in this time, though. All right, ready? Oh, it didn't do what it was supposed to do. I was right. I didn't put enough blue in. Honestly, I like the way this side looks. Looks like I'm keeping it with this side. What do you think? I know it seems like kind of a loss there, but if I keep it looking on this side, it's not really a total loss. And you do see just a little bit of the glitter, not too much. That was a disappointment. You know, I'm gonna have to try this again. Definitely going to have to try this again. I can't leave myself on a fail like this. Actually, I said this was a fail. It's not a fail. Disappointment, but not a fail. Because honestly, this side, I like the look. And I don't know if you can see the coloring, but you can even see the blue hiding in between the top and the bottom. I especially like this one. This one's my favorite. So no, it's not a fail. It just didn't come out the way I had hoped, the way I thought it would. What do you think of them though? This one's pretty cool too. Got different shades. You can see the blue inside there trying to come out. And if you know what I did wrong, by all means, please leave me a comment. Let me know. I may have poured too soon, so the resin wasn't heated up enough. I'm not sure. Anyhow, all right. Have a good one. Bye, guys.